What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best camping canopies. The camping canopy is a portable shelter that provides shade and protection from the elements in your backyard, at the beach, or at a special event. There are a lot of products available to choose to camping canopies, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping canopies products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pacific Breeze Easy Setup Beach Tent. The Pacific Breeze Easy Up is a beach tent with a half-dome design and enough space to shade 1 or 2 adults. This one-pole setup requires more muscle than we anticipated, but overall it is hassle-free and takes only seconds to erect. At 5.4 pounds, it's the lightest canopy in our lineup, making it very portable. We like the built-in sidewall pockets, attached floor, and roll-away side drapes. However, we feel the tarp-style floor stays a little hot in the sun, and it tends to collect dirt, sand, and water. The Easy Up is a self-contained product with no assembly required, making it easy to set up, take down, and store in your garage, coat closet, or car trunk. It also is quite sturdy and resists wind well if it is staked down. 5 large weight bags attach and can be filled with sand to keep everything in place. Number 2. Eurmax USA 10x10 Pop-Up Canopy Tent. The Eurmax Standard 10x10 offers 100 square feet of sun protection and a peak height of 11 feet. Very high quality materials were used to produce this shelter, making it our hands-down choice for the best recreational canopy tent on the market. Despite its size and weight, the Eurmax is quite easy to set up and take down. In fact, one of our testers easily solo deployed it on several occasions. Top-grade canopy textiles, quick-release tabs, reinforced trusses, and a beefy steel frame allow the Eurmax to tower over other models we tested. It makes easy work blocking the sun, stands firm in the wind, and is impervious to rainwater. It's a perfect shelter for any outdoor activity, but we feel it excels in settings that include commerce, command posts, campgrounds, and outdoor sports. The major disadvantage of the Eurmax is its size and weight. It is the heaviest shelter on our list. This weight makes it somewhat difficult to load and unload out of a vehicle, but once on the ground, the tank-grade roller bag allows it to be moved with ease, especially if you have 2 people. However, fitting it into a compact car may still be a challenge. Number 3. Caravan Canopy 2 Pro Kit White Canopy. The Caravan Canopy V Series bridges the gap between quality and budget-friendly, better than any canopy we've examined. This basic 10x10 cathedral tent blocks the sun almost as well as more expensive models, and it is sturdy enough to handle the wallops that come along with average outdoor adventures. This model is much lighter than its beefier peers, but it still incorporates a steel frame that is sturdy enough to handle a few moderate wind gusts. We found the Caravan perfect for trips to the lake, activities in the park, or backyard barbecues, ideally in calmer weather. However, a little extra care is key if you want your Caravan to last. The included stakes are very short, thin, and somewhat ineffective. We recommend purchasing larger, thicker stakes for your Caravan V Series. The canopy material is adequate but less rugged, and rainwater tends to drip through during a substantial downpour. The wheels on the roller bag are mostly cosmetic, as they are very ineffective on most terrains. Number 4. Easy Up Pyramid Instant Shelter Canopy. The Easy Up Pyramid is our favorite canopy for outdoor sports enthusiasts. From youth football and soccer fields to motocross tracks and cross-country meets, this canopy fits the bill. If you spend a lot of time on the sidelines, we think the Easy Up is the perfect way to catch some shade while you cheer on your athlete or team. At the forefront of features, this canopy has a roller bag with large wide-set wheels, so one person can easily pull this beast across gravel, dirt, or grass. The Easy Up also has a simple setup, and can even be deployed solo, depending on age and strength. Its heavy steel frame and massive metal stakes easily hold this shelter steady, even during wind gusts, and glaring sun and rain are also no threat. However, the Easy Up isn't perfect. After weeks of testing, we have thrown a few penalty flags on the field. This product's excellent wheel system is mostly made of plastic, and we wish it were constructed primarily of metal. Additionally, it packs up large and is heavy, making it difficult to find room for it in the trunk of just any car. Number 5. CLAM Quickset Escape Sport. Fully enclosed and ready to protect you from sun, wind, rain, and bugs, the CLAM Outdoors Quickset Escape is a perfect shelter for the campground. That said, we also feel its applications are somewhat endless. No assembly is required. This shelter is ready to go right out of the box, and can be fully deployed in less than a minute. We do admit there is a small learning curve to setting up the escape, but once you're locked in, popping this canopy into place is really fun and even somewhat addictive. This product is well made and creates a ton of shade. It doesn't leak during rainstorms and is rock solid in the wind. As for bugs, they don't stand a chance. The massive screened walls keep insects where they belong away from you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem please comment below.